Hey guys, Cameron here with Emerson Property Management. Every week I bring you tools, tactics, strategies, lessons I've learned, things that have helped me build up a sizable rental portfolio in about 2 years and now manage that portfolio. Today, guys, I want to talk about something that free education and things that we give you. So things that I've created over the years, things that I've learned, that's what this whole YouTube channel is about giving back and helping you guys become better investors and manage your single family rental property better. Right? I want to help you guys get a rental portfolio because I know how powerful it was for me in allowing me to leave my job before the age of 30. And I think it's something that you guys can implement, even if you just want to buy a property or two to help subsidize some retirement, or if you guys want to go full out and build a huge rental portfolio and have a fantastic wealth creation vehicle. Rentals are one of the best ways to do that. I've got many videos on that, but on top of all these YouTube videos that we've got hundreds of hours of content on, something that a lot of tenants forget, or a lot of owners and potential investors forget, is we have a bunch of stuff on our website here. So I always forget to mention it as well. So I just want to take this time, walk through a couple of the free resources that we give away on our website. Now, I'm not talking put in your credit card information free. I'm talking free. You just go on our website. You can look and see all these free guides we have. It's at emersonpropertymanagement.com. You go to investors, and then it's got investor. It says owners, investors up here, and then it's free guides. Now, we've got 6 guides on here, and I'm just going to talk through a couple of those really quickly. I'm not going to waste a bunch of your time, but I just want to make you all aware. These are in no particular order either. The first one we have is 3 essential components to purchasing a successful rental property. So guys, I've done a lot. If you guys have watched me for a while on YouTube, you guys have seen that I've started very early. I mean, I was doing this 5 or 6 years ago, and it was just me in a white t-shirt talking about my experiences. And I wanted to share that again because it was such a powerful experience. Rental properties have been such a powerful wealth generator for me that I wanted to share that with you guys. I didn't have really any, sort of system of what I was talking about when I just pop on my phone and record. When I started building these guides that helped me, and I want to share that information with you, we started putting them on our website. These are things that I would just send to folks when they need them, but now they're on here for free. And the first one is the 3 essential components to purchasing a successful rental property. That guide will help you guys buy your first one. There's a handful of things you want to look for. Make sure you guys have those when you're buying it. That guide will help you if you're in the process of still deal hunting. At the time of this recording in 2022, deals are hard to come by. Prices have gone crazy. Interest rates are on the rise. So get back to the principles. Get back to the basics with this guide. It's free. Again, you just click download and you can download it. The next one is a rental property profit calculator. So this is a great one as well. This is my personal calculator I use to buy over 30 units. My personal one I use. I give it to you. It's a spreadsheet form. You can fill it out. It's red's bad, green's a go. And you can play with it, download it, create it, change it, make it your own. This is free. So when you guys are analyzing, if you're having trouble like, man, I don't get the numbers, I'm having trouble analyzing a property, this guide will help you with that. The third one is how to properly self-manage your rental property. So now that you bought your property, you need to understand how to manage it, and that's kind of where Emerson Property Management was founded. I bought all these properties and I could not manage them. Well, not that I couldn't. I was trying to buy more and still manage, and it was creating a difficulty for me. So if you guys are looking to not hire a property manager, and I don't recommend you do that on your first couple deals, this has plenty of tools, literally great tools for you to use that will make your life so much easier and make you more money. They're all free. Most of the tools are free that I mentioned in there. Some of them are not. You have to pay for them, but it's a lot cheaper than hiring a property manager, and you'll learn a lot more by doing your own property management. The next guide we have down here is how to select the right property manager. So let's just say you guys have bought up 4, 5, 6 properties, and you're starting to get a little busy. You've done the self-management, you understand, you use some of the tools that we provided in here, and you're having a great experience, but now it's getting to be too time consuming, and you want to focus on your family, whatever, you just want to hand the stuff over. This guide will help you in selecting the right property manager. This guide will talk through, I think it's like 24 questions, 20 some questions to ask a property manager. And it has everything on there. from fees to other things that you wouldn't even think about. You know, there's so many little fees. People talk about what's the management fee? That's the biggest thing. But there are so many other little nickel and dime fees. There are so many other systems and processes and things that you want to know about when you're looking to hire a property manager. Do they outsource everything? Do they keep everything in-house? How is this stuff billed back to me? All those questions that I would ask if I was hiring a property manager, I put into that guide. Totally free. You guys use that. Please use the guide. It will help you in selecting the right property manager. There's another guide I put together, 12 steps to financial freedom. Now, what does that mean? Oh, 12 steps. Is this some get rich thing? No. That 12-step guide to financial freedom just lays out your whole path of if you're working specifically for people who are working a W-2 job. It's exactly how I did it and how I recommend people use the steps and become financially free. I truly think if you guys put your nose to the grindstone that most folks with enough work ethic can become financially free in 10 years or less. That guide will show you exactly how to do it, take advantage of some of the tax deferred accounts, leveraging interest rates and mortgages to buy great rental properties, get those tax deductions. So it looks at it holistically. I'm not an all stock guy and I'm not an all real estate guy. I put them both together and I think it's a great combo of having stocks and real estate to create wealth. And again, I know there's another video I have on that on millionaires and having that differentiation between stocks and real estate. And then the last one is where I really started to gain traction when I first started doing the YouTube channel. Assignment and TREC contracts. So when I started out wholesaling, and then I said, okay, I can see that the guys I'm wholesaling this property to are making a hell of a lot more money than I'm making on my $5,000-$10,000 wholesale fee. So the true wealth creators were the people owning the property. But to buy those off market, you can use the exact TREC and assignment contracts that I use. TREC does not have an assignment agreement. So I give you the ones I used, literally the exact ones I used to buy, dozens of properties. So you guys can get that for free. That'll help you really in your journey. So you have the contracts, you have the 3 essential components you're looking for when you're buying a rental property. You have my calculator to analyze the properties to make sure. You have tools for self-managing once you bought the property. You've got how to select the right property manager if you ever want to turn it over. And you have the 12-step guide to financial freedom, which is just telling you how to lay everything out. It's not the only way to do it, but this is a way to do it. And I think the best way to create wealth and hit financial freedom. That doesn't mean you have to quit your job. It's not a get rich quick scheme. That 12-step guide is going to be hard work. It's simple, but it's not easy. So please take advantage of these guides, guys. I put a lot of time and energy into those, and even for nothing else, just read through them, see if they make sense, see if you have questions, shoot me an email, respond to this, anything on those you don't agree. I would love to hear it. Maybe some of those are outdated. Maybe some of the things don't work anymore. I think that those are timeless principles in those, but if you guys have any sort of feedback, I'd love to hear it, because I guarantee a lot of you, whether you know it or not, are using a lot of these things and these guides. I hope that was helpful. I put this together to help you. I don't make any money off of this. None. We don't make any money off YouTube. All this stuff is for free to help you guys out. So please take advantage of these. I hope this was helpful. If it was, let me know. If it wasn't, let me know. Appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll see y'all next week.